Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so y'all, this whole quarantine thing has a girl stressed, okay? Super stressed. My anxiety is up. I feel trapped. Like, I just want to go out and have fun and act ratchet and do all my outside things, but I can't. And so I've been turning to a little retail therapy to make myself feel better. So I ordered a whole bunch of makeup stuff. I got stuff from Sephora, I got stuff from Amazon, and I got some stuff like in store at my local drugstore. So I have a ton of things to show you guys. I legit have a box full of stuff here. So I'm about to show you guys my quarantine makeup haul. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling things out of this box and showing it to you guys. So the first thing I have here are these exfoliating gloves. Y'all, if you guys are not using exfoliating gloves to take a shower, y'all are missing out, okay? I have two pairs of these. I have one that's already in my shower, so this is my extra one. And you guys, my shower routine is like 10 times better now with these exfoliating gloves. I absolutely love them. It is so easy to do. You just put them on your hand when you're taking a shower. You just, you know, put your soap. I'm a shower gel type of person. I like body wash and shower gel, so I just squirt it in the glove and I just rub it up, and it lathers on the skin so nicely, and your skin just feels so soft and smooth. So I love these. I actually got these from my local dollar store. These are $1.25 each, so yeah, I am loving this. Okay, so the next thing I have here are these beauty blenders. You guys, I ordered a pack of beauty blenders because I have been using brushes to apply my makeup, but I wanted to start using beauty blenders. So I ordered this pack of 5 beauty blenders from Amazon. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. So it came with 5. One of them I've already started to use, this blue one, but you guys, it applies makeup so well. I love it, and it looks small now, but when you wet it, it gets so much bigger. Like, this one is still a little bit damp from when I did my makeup, but I think you guys can tell that one is bigger than the other. So yeah, I love these beauty blenders, and they're so cute. Like, all the colors are just so cute, and it just reminded me of like Easter. So yeah, I really love these beauty blenders. Okay, so the next thing I have is this makeup brush cleanser pad, and this is what it looks like. It's pink and it has all these different like textures on it so that you can wash your makeup brushes. I got this from Amazon. It was super inexpensive. It was like $10 or less, and it has like the little suction cups at the bottom, and I'm going to be using this to wash my makeup brushes. And I just thought it was cute and just something to help out to wash my makeup brushes. I have a video that's going to be coming out real soon about me washing my makeup brushes, and I'm going to be using this. So I'm excited to see how it works, to see if it does a good job. So it actually says Express Brush Cleaning Mat. So that's what it's called. It's called an Express Brush Cleaning Mat. And then this bottom section here actually says rinse. So I guess you're supposed to rinse it out on this section here. See if you guys can see that. So it says Express Brush, and then at the bottom it just says rinse. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so the next thing I have here is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I really needed a new face powder because the one that I had before was from my local beauty supply store, but since all the hair stores are closed, a girl can't get a new face powder. So I'm like, okay, let me just check Amazon and see what face powders they had. So this one came up, and I've seen this in store before, and I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and try it. So it's the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the color 365, which is nutmeg. So this is what it looks like. And then what I really like about this is that it comes with the little sponge thing. I don't use it though, but it comes with a little sponge thing, but it also has a mirror. So I thought that was so cool. Like, you can literally just touch up your face with just this. So I thought that was really cute, and it's so compact. So I like this. I have already started to use this, and I really like how it works. So yeah, this is that. Okay, so the next two things I have are these Rimmel powders. Y'all, I literally dropped this right before I started to film this video. Go figure. So I need to go in with some rubbing alcohol to fix this back because it's all cracked up and stuff. Like, I'm so bad. Like, that would happen to me. I would drop this when I'm trying to record. But anyways, I got the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I used to use this a lot back in the day when I first started getting to makeup, and I really like how this works on the skin. It just gives you a nice natural glow. And then I also got the Stay Matte powder as well. This works really well on my face, especially in my oily areas. Like, I find that I get oily right in this area first, so I just dab a little bit and just dab it on my face, and it gets my face matte again. So yeah, these two I got from my local Walmart. So I picked these up in a store. Okay, so I really needed some new primers, so I went to good old Amazon and I ordered these two primers. The first one is the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and it is a mattifying primer. This is what it looks like. I got this on Amazon. It was less than $10, super inexpensive. It is the primer that I'm currently using right now on my face, and I find that it really does help to keep your makeup mattified or make it stay matte, so I really like it. And then the next one that I got is by Maybelline. It's the Master Prime primer. This one is more of a blurring primer, so I haven't really tried this one as yet. It's still brand new. I haven't opened it. I haven't tried it. It says it's a primer and base and it's to blur and smooth, so I'm excited to try this and see if it really does smooth out my face. So yeah, I'm excited to try these products out. If you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed as yet, baby girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below, okay? I just have to stop real quick to tell you guys to subscribe, so subscribe. Okay, you guys, the next two products I'm about to show you, I am so excited about. You guys, I finally got my hands on some Fenty Beauty products. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get Fenty since it came out. But when it came out, like, I wasn't really into makeup at the time. But now since we're in quarantine, I ain't got nothing better to do. I just been doing my makeup more and more. So I finally got my hands on the Fenty Beauty. So of course I had to get the foundation. So I got the Pro Filter Foundation. I'm in the color 440. And you guys, first of all, I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. This is what it looks like. So that is what the packaging looks like. I just love the frosted glass look, and I love the fact that it has a pump. Of course, I've already tested it out to see if it matches my color, because I picked this color online and it does match my skin perfectly. So I'm super excited to try this out. If you guys want a makeup tutorial or a foundation routine of how I use this, then definitely drop me a comment down below so I can make that video for you guys. And then the other Fenty product that I got were the lip glosses. These two lip glosses, it's in the color Fenty Glow and Sweet Mouth. So I'm so excited to try these because I've been needing some new lip products. Like, girl, we need lip products. So this is the first one. It's this light pink, almost nudie color. It's so pretty, so pretty. The packaging is so nice. Like, the top is like a mirror so you can look at your lips when you apply your lip gloss. It's so cute. And then also this one, this is more of a deep orange brownie nude color. So I'm actually gonna put on a little right now because why not, you know? Girl, what do you guys think? Is it cute or not? You guys like it? I love it. It's a nice thick formula and it smells really good too. Like, it has a nice sweet smell. I love it. So yeah, I'm super excited about these two lip glosses. Oh, and by the way, I got these from Sephora. I ordered these online from Sephora. So yeah. So of course, your girl's birthday is in April. My birthday was on April the 7th. So when I was on Sephora's website, I decided to go ahead and claim my birthday gift. If you guys didn't know, Sephora will send you free birthday gift, like free sample size makeup when it's around your birthday. So make sure you guys sign up on Sephora's website so you can get your hands on your free makeup. So the thing that I picked out was this Milk makeup set. It comes with a mascara, it comes with a primer, and it comes with this like lip tint. it's a mini lip and cheek tint. So I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, and the box says happy birthday on it also. So cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so these are the items. They're so small, they're so tiny. So the first thing, this is the lip and cheek tint. So this is what it looks like. And it just has a spin top here, and it's this nice reddish color. So I'm excited to try this out. I probably won't use it on my lips. I'll probably use it on my cheek as like a blush. And then it comes with a little sample size of their primer. So that is what that looks like. And then it also comes with a mascara. It's actually called Kush mascara. Okay, Kush like cannabis, like weed, cause girl, yeah. And this is what the mascara wand looks like. Wait for that to focus so you guys can see it. So yeah, I'm excited to try this mascara out and try these Milk products because I've never used Milk cosmetics before, so I'm super excited to give these a try. Okay, so moving on, while I was on Sephora's website, of course, you know, if you spend a certain amount of money, you get all these like extra samples and whatever. And you guys, I picked up a bunch of fragrance samples. Y'all, I've been really wanting to get into like fancy expensive fragrances. Like, I'm more of a body mist, like go to Bath and Body Works, buy a body mist and wear it, or just your regular schmegular like perfume and stuff. But I've really been wanting to get into like fancy, like legit fragrances and sprays. So I picked up a bunch here that I could try out. So I'll tell you the ones that I have. I have Gucci Bloom. So this is what the Gucci Bloom one looks like. And when you open it, it has the little sample size here. The other one I got is called Toca Florence. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it, you got this. I also got the Versace one. I just love this packaging. It's pink. Like, what? I love this. This is what it looks like on the inside. I am super excited to try this one out. Because it's like a flower fruity musk, like that's my type of scent, and it's pink. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out. And I also got Dolce & Gabbana. So this is what this one looks like. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And then the last one that I got is by Calvin Klein. So this is what the front looks like, and this is what it is when you open it up. So yeah, I got 5 fragrances here that I'm super excited to try out, and hopefully I really like some of these so I can buy like the full size bottle of it, because like I said before, I'm really trying to get into like fancy fragrances and spray because your girl's getting older and I need to smell a little bit more sophisticated, you know. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. So while I was in Walmart, I actually picked up 2 lash glues. I am not somebody who uses actual lash glue. I prefer to use hair glue to apply my lashes, which probably isn't the right thing to do, but that's just how I like to apply my lashes. So I decided that I was going to try out some of the actual lash glue since the hair stores are closed and your girl can't buy hair glue. So I have the Duo Quickset Strip Lash Adhesive. So these are the ones that I have. I bought 2 packs of them so I would always have some. So those are these. And then while I was in Walmart, I did pick up a few more beauty products as well. So I have this e.l.f. concealer. I didn't even know e.l.f. was making concealers like this. You guys, I really like this concealer. It works so well. It's called the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and it has a satin finish, and they are not lying. It goes on so nice and blends out really nicely. So I really like this one. And then I also got a mascara because, you know, sometimes you just need a little mascara if you're not feeling to wear lashes. So I went back old school and picked up a mascara that I used to use back in the day when I was in high school. So I got the Maybelline Mega Plush mascara, and I really like this mascara. It works so well. It gets every lash and just makes them look nice and long. So I highly recommend this one. And then I also wanted a new foundation as well, a drugstore foundation. So I picked up the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless foundation. This is what it looks like. I'm in the color Soft Sable, and I really like this. To be honest with you, this was the first foundation I ever used when I started wearing makeup back in the day. So I decided to go back and try this out because I know they have a newer formula now than back in the day. So I have been using this for the past couple of days, and I absolutely love how it does makeup. If you guys want to see a video of me applying my foundation with this, then drop a comment down below. Okay, we're almost finished in the box here. Only a few more products to share with you guys. So I have this eyebrow pencil that I picked up from Rimmel because you know you need something to fill in your brows. So I got this eyebrow pencil. To be honest, I didn't realize it was going to be so light in color. Like, to me, that's just too light for my brows. I need something that is darker. And sorry for my ashy hands, yeah. I've been washing my hands all the time because we in quarantine and we got to be washing our hands all the time because anybody trying to catch coronavirus, right? So sorry for my ashy hands, but yeah, this is just a little bit too light for me to use, so I'm probably just going to be using this as a lip liner. So yeah, and then I also got this little Moroccan oil hand cream. Yeah, so I actually got this in my Sephora box. I guess it was part of a free sample, so they threw it in the box, so that's cool with me. Okay, and last but definitely not least, I got this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick. It's in the color Glistening Peach, and I picked this up because it said it was a multi-use stick, so I'm pretty sure I could probably use this like on my face as a blush or just to give me some color. I don't know, I just decided to pick this up just because it was e.l.f. and it was cute. And yeah, I actually ordered this off of Amazon. I think I picked this up because I needed my Amazon order to be at least $25 so I could get that free when they ship in. That's probably what it was. So yes, you guys, that is it for my quarantine makeup haul. I'm so excited to try out these products. Some of them I've already used, some of them I haven't as yet, so I'm super excited to try these out, and I'll definitely come back and let you guys know how it is. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.